Hello dear ones, and welcome to my class. I am Claire, founder of Embodied Voyage, and my mission is to support people on their journey back home to themselves through yoga and meditation, because I believe that whatever we need is found within us. During today's practice, the intention is to connect back to that space of peace that is found within us. When you are ready, find a comfortable seated position and let's get started. So let's start by allowing our eyes to close or lower your gaze, and bring one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. And start to tune into your breath, just feeling the rise and fall of your breath. Just allow your breath to be whatever it wants to be. And you are just the observer of your breath. Through your hands, you're feeling and supporting the subtle movements of your body as you breathe. And honoring yourself for being here today. And now start to observe how you're breathing. We're going to inhale first into the belly, so the belly rises, diaphragm and chest. And then we're exhaling, the chest relaxes, shoulders relax, belly towards the spine. Just very gently. So the intention is to take your breath first into your belly and then rising up. Because very often we breathe very shallowly, so we're using only the upper part of our lungs. I'm just taking a few breaths here. And then releasing your hands. And we're starting to circle. With the exhale, we're going down. As we inhale, we're going up. And circle other direction. And coming back to center. Back is straight. You can also keep a cushion under your glutes. And we're closing the eyes or lowering the gaze one more time. This time we're going to breathe through the perineum. So the perineum is the space between the genitals and your anus. And we're imagining that we're inhaling from this space in our body, and we're taking the breath up along the center of the body, up towards the crown of your head. And then as you exhale, the breath glides down from the crown back to your perineum. You can visualize your breath as if it's going up in an elevator. Rising, inhaling, exhaling, lowering down. You can also use your hands to support you, or you can keep them onto your knees or onto your lap, so whatever works for you. So eyes are closed and we're gazing within, just tuning into this breath. With the inhale, the breath rises. We're imagining we're inhaling through the perineum and taking the breath up along the center of the body up towards the crown. And then as we exhale, the breath glides down from the crown towards the perineum. And just playing with this breath, inhaling and exhaling, taking your time. And I also invite that if your body feels the need to move with the breath, please do so. So honor your body. Your breath is your guidance, your teacher. So whatever is working for you, just allow the breath to soften your body. Two more breaths here. And when you're ready, release, come back to normal breathing. And something that I would like to suggest, maybe if you practice this session again, when you are breathing with the inhaling and the exhale, just observe is when you inhale, there's something that blocks the breath. And then also as you're exhaling, something that blocks you. Just intuitively tune into this without creating stories and big drama. Just allow the breath to flow through this energy that sometimes can be blocked inside our body. The head is straight. We're inhaling here. With the exhale, bring the left ear towards your left shoulder and relax your hands. Relax here. Lengthen into your right side of your neck and relax your right shoulder. And inhaling, coming back up. We're exhaling, right ear towards the right shoulder. And again, relaxing your left shoulder. Back to center. Take your chin down towards the chest. Really lengthen the back of your neck from the spine. Press the sit bones down. Chin towards the chest a bit more. And as you inhale, lifting up. Bring your hands behind your head. Interlace the fingers. Your hands are supporting your head. We inhale. With the inhale, we're taking the elbows back, chest forward. So we're arching and gazing up. And really opening up to life. And also, as you're here, just tune into the center. So visualize this line of energy from your perineum up to the crown, pulsating with light, with life. And something that sometimes comes up when we're opening up is fear, or maybe the desire to close down. So just I invite you to stay with it for a couple of breaths, if that's okay. Just know that you're safe within your body. And now as we exhale, we're bringing the elbows towards each other and gently bowing down. Awareness on your perineum, the base of your spine. We're inhaling and we're opening up. Inhale. Breathe the energy of Earth itself, of Gaia. Inhale, feel the energy rising from your perineum up to the crown. Your whole body pulsates with light. Open up a bit more. Hold the breath if that's okay. And then as you exhale, release, surrender anything that's blocking you from opening up. Give it back to the earth.
Next inhale, breathing through your perineum.
Energy rises up and filling your whole body with light. Feel it pulsating through you. The more you open, the more life flows through you. And as you exhale, slowly surrender what's blocking you. We surrender with love and compassion, not with judgment. Remember, you're amazing. And you're doing the best you can at this moment in time. Inhaling again, opening up, breathing through the perineum. Hold here and try, if it's okay, to spread the arms, palms facing up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Take the shoulders back, open up a bit more, and maybe move your body. Feel, breathe, soften. And we're exhaling, wrap the arms around you. Hold yourself. Everything is as it should be. Inhaling, we're opening up one more time. Spread the arms, palms facing up. Breathe and feel that you're radiating light from your perineum out of your heart and into the arms. And then the light rises from your throat, your third eye, your crown, your whole body pulsates, breathing. And again, as we exhale, we wrap the arms around and hug ourselves. One more breath, inhaling, open. Spread the arms, breathe, lengthen, open up a bit more. Maybe shake your body, move a bit more, just feel what's working for you at this moment and open up, release all those chains that you have created around yourself. Just let go, soften, open more and more to life. On your next inhale, bring your hands up above your head, hold here, interlace the fingers, index fingers pointing up. And imagine that you're inhaling golden light from the crown of your head. Your fingers are acting as antennas, bringing this light into your crown and feeling this light spiraling around your whole body. And you can help yourself by circling, by softening. The more we soften, the more we invite the energy to flow, to soften our body, bringing this golden light down into your perineum and out of your body into the earth. You're acting as a conduit between heaven and earth. Breathe here. And as you exhale, release, bring your hands down and touch the earth. As you inhale, gently lift your chin up. Bring the hands to your throat. We're inviting your voice to speak truth. Your hands are filled with love. You are supported by the earth beneath you. You're going to speak your own truth. We inhale, exhale. Inhaling, hands come back to your throat. Exhaling, we're opening up, speaking our truth. Inhaling, give love. Trust and honor yourself. Exhale, open up, speak your truth. Your voice matters. Inhaling, give love to yourself. Exhaling, opening up. And gently release, bring your hands down and touch the earth. Couple of breaths here. And I invite you to shake your body, so you can shake here, or maybe standing up and shaking your whole body here. So releasing excessive energy that we have accumulated in our body. And feel the earth, inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, arms up. Exhale, spread the arms. And we come back to center. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And if you have enjoyed this class, please hit the like button, or if you would like to keep watching more of this content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will find many more of this content coming up in the coming weeks. So also, if you have any feedback, any comments that you would like to share, please write them down. I will personally go through them one by one, and this will really support me in creating any other future content and in serving you better. Thank you so much. Namaste.